Hi guys, welcome back. It's Smita. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you remember, sometime last year, I posted a video on how I attach lashes. I never use the glue on the lashes itself. That is so messy for me. Instead, I apply it like an eyeliner on my lash line and then attach the lashes. That's the easy way to do it. If you haven't watched that video, do check it out. I'm going to link it down below in the description box. But today I'm here to tell you that you don't even need a glue to do it. You can attach lashes without the glue because we have this product. This is the new Vanta eyeliner from Swati Cosmetics. It's a lash adhesive liquid eyeliner, which looks like any other liquid eyeliner. It's vegan and has a latex-free formula, and it's also long wearing. This is such an innovative product. Congratulations, Swati. Girl, I'm so proud of you if you're watching this. And Swati's a good friend and a fellow entrepreneur, and I'm always here to support. Just so you guys know, this is not a sponsored video. Swati did not ask me to make this video. She sent me the PR package and I absolutely fell in love with the product, and I can't wait to show you guys how to use it. So let's begin. Let's take a moment to appreciate the little details. Swati always goes the extra mile. What a beautiful PR package. And when you open it, there's a little note from Swati and Vishal Nanda, her fiance, just talking about how they met and, how they created this whole business together. And when you flip the card, you can see a picture of them with all the awards they've won. The PR package came with the eyeliner and 6 different lashes and also a pair of forceps. You can buy the lashes separately. You can use other lashes with the eyeliner, so it's pretty flexible. And here's Swati with another little note. She's such a great artist. If you're not following her already, I'm going to include her accounts in the description box below, so do check her out. And this, my friends, is the magic wand, as I call it, the Vanta eyeliner. As I said, it's long wearing, it's windproof, waterproof, tear-proof. You don't need any additional glue to attach it. It's latex free. You can re-stick your eyelashes after using it. You can use it multiple times. And the eyeliner itself has a high precision felt tip like any other eyeliner pen. It's no different. So you just apply it like another eyeliner. And of course, it's vegan. The first step is to choose the pair of lashes that you want to attach and then remove it from the packaging. And the way I do it is I loosen it out in the outer corner, and once it lifts, I slowly pull it with the forceps. And then I measure it out by placing it on my lash line without the glue. So I want my natural lash line to match the length of the false lashes. Now, if the false lashes are any longer than my natural lash line, I cut out the very outer end till it fits. Looks like this fits, so I don't have to cut it. The next step would be to curl my natural lashes and apply a coat of mascara, because when I attach the false lashes, I want my natural lashes to blend in with them. And then I'm going to be using the Vanta eyeliner. Just like I would do with any other eyeliner, I'm going to pull out a small wing and line my top lash line. And then I'm taking the lashes and simply placing it on the eyeliner. You don't have to wait for 20 seconds till it gets tacky or anything like that. You can place it immediately. You can definitely apply another coat of mascara to your natural lashes so it blends in really well with the false lashes. I have a recording after this, so I did not want to do that, but you're welcome to do so. And I'm going to finish up with a coat of mascara on my lower lashes. And that's pretty much it. How easy is that? And let's say that sometimes you don't want to do the winged liner, you don't need an eyeliner, you just want to go for that natural look. All you have to do is apply the eyeliner very close to your lash line and simply attach the lashes. I'll now show you how to remove the lashes. All you have to do again is loosen up the lashes in the very outer corner. And when it lifts, just use the forceps to gently pull it out. You can put it back in the packaging and it's re-stickable, so you can use it multiple times. And because this has a waterproof formula, you cannot just wash it off with water. What I do is I just use some vitamin E oil and I just use a drop and I massage it gently over my eyes, and then use a washcloth to wipe it off, and then I wash it off. You can also use a gentle eye makeup remover, but if you want to go the natural way, you can also use coconut oil or a vitamin E oil like I do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and check out the description box for all the links. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.